web, and as an athlete, I need to be able to work out at any place at any time. So right now, this is a HIIT workout that I'm gonna show you that you can do from home. This is 10 minutes. We're gonna engage your core, your glutes, your arms, get you sweaty. So get your towel and your water, and let's get working out. All right, let's get your fast feet moving, knees up, get them going, straight up and down. Now we're moving into squats. So sit back, keep your chest up and open, and then just sink into your heels. There you go. Sit and stand, sit and stand. Just a few more reps, and then we're gonna get down into a push-up position. Be aware of your breath. Go now, hands on the floor. Stack your wrist, elbows, and shoulders right over each other. If you need to drop to your knees here, now is the time to do it. This is your workout, okay? So let's make it work for you. Go up, and down, a nice controlled motion. Awesome, now move back to a stand. Now you're going to put one foot in front, and then your left, put it back into a reverse lunge, and then twist from side to side. You're just gonna do a few more here. We're just getting our bodies moving, and then switch feet, there you go. Step back, and twist side to side. There you go, just step back into that lunge, keep that core tight. You're finding that balance, you're keeping your core tight. We're just trying to get our heart rate up. Good, as we move side to side, this is gonna be a lateral lunge. So stand in the middle, step left. There you go, step right. Have your hips go back. There you go. And then keep going back and forth. Shoot those hips back. There you have it. Awesome. Feel it in the glutes, feel it in your inner thighs. You're just stepping out to the side and then stepping back to center. Just feel the movement. Sink into what you're doing right now. You're taking care of your body. This is a HIIT workout. So now we're going to start just getting into the workout. Do what you need to do, move around, stretch it out, but we're gonna start in a standing position. Okay, at the back of your mat. Put your hands up, hands down, walk out into a plank pose. Once you hit a high plank, stop, tap both shoulders, and then kick up your heels, right and left, to engage those hamstrings. Then walk back with your hands to your feet, lift your hands up above your head, reach nice and get a good stretch. Walk straight back out to a plank, tap both shoulders, kick those heels up. Good job. Slow and steady. Then walk it out, find that plank, tap those shoulders right and left, kick that bum, and then walk it back up and get that stretch. All right, we're gonna move back to the floor, get to that push-up position, and then you're gonna get and hold in that push-up position. Now I want you just to tilt over to your left arm, lift up your right arm to a T, and then switch. Roll over, there you go. Open, stretch to a T. Very good. Open, stretch to a T. Good, coming back to a stand. We're going to ground your front foot, starting with the right, assuming a runner's lunge. There you go, just step that left foot back. Now with your opposite hand, you're gonna open and close, just 2 counts, 1 and 2. Good, now just walk your foot back, switch legs, create that rotation to reach up, well done. And then to our final motion, we're gonna go into that bear position, which you're just hovering your shoulders and your elbows over your wrists, hover your knees, and then take 2 steps forward, and then go backwards, 1 and 2. There you go, keep those knees hovering. If that is too much, you can put your knees down on the floor. But just keep doing that. Well done. All right, let's step on up. Get a quick towel off, get your water, but we're gonna get in that extra work here because this is your HIIT workout and you showed up to do this. Here we go, let's start it off with your squats. So squat down and then twist to the opposite leg, lifting that knee. There you go, it's that rotational element. Sit down, rotate, find that balance, find that strength. You've got about 30 seconds here. There you go. Down, up, rotate. There you go. Take it nice and slow. Go at your pace. Lift that knee up. Reaching over. There you have it. using your obliques, your core, getting your glutes and your hamstrings. You've got about 5 seconds. Keep going. There you have it. Okay, here we go. We're gonna step in all directions. So you're gonna do a front, there you go, step back, side, and together. Here we go, switch feet. Step forward, side, and together. Step to the back. Step forward. Wonderful. Step to the side, get that lateral lunge. Keep your core strong. Step to the back. Forward. There you have it. Alternating legs throughout this. Take your time. Go at your speed. Forward. Side. Back. Together. You've got about 10 seconds here. Take a little bit of a break. Stretch it out, get some water, towel off. You're doing good. You showed up, so let's get it going. Here we go, we're moving side to side, knees up. I take a couple steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, knee up, go. Nice, there you go. You're just shifting your weight. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Finding power, finding control in your breath. There you go, knowing you can push through this. This is your time, this is your workout. Get them up, get them up, get them up. There you go. Step, 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 up, hold. Step, 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 up, hold. There it is. Feel that burn. Keep going. Give everything that you have right now. Keep it up. In 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Towel off, get some water. We're taking a break. You've got about 30 seconds to take this break. Take a deep breath in, exhale. Start to get your breath, get your heart rate down. Towel off, do whatever you need to do. This is your time. All right, 15 seconds until we start again. And when we start again, we're going with a plank, reach, and toe tap, okay? So we're gonna get down on the mat and assume that plank position. Okay, we're coming down to the mat. We're stacking our elbows, our shoulders, our wrists, all in a line, and we're reaching forward with that right arm as far as we can, and then extend with your left arm. Reaching to the opposite toe, leaning back. There you go, with the opposite arm. Keep a nice flat position, reaching forward, good, and then reaching for that toe. Nice job. Keep that core engaged. There you have it. You're gonna do reach back, reach your arms straight forward, extending out. Perfect. Keep everything focused, breathing. You have about 15 seconds here. Remain strong, control that movement, reach, tap, and engage that core. There you have it. Now we're gonna come to a seated position. Go on your back. This is called the dead bug. And put your arms straight up. The goal here is to keep that back flat to the floor. You're going to extend opposite arm and opposite leg together. Slow and together. Controlled. You're hovering your feet off the floor. Reaching that belly button down towards the mat. Looking straight up above you. Keeping that chin untucked and extended. You have 30 seconds on the clock. Here you go. Alternating in your movement. It's nice and slow and controlled. We're working into that lower ab space. There you have it. Opposite arm, opposite leg, 15 seconds. There you have it. We're breathing. Good job. This is a mind-body connection. You're alternating that movement, and in 3, 2, 1. Good job. Come into that bear position where your knees are hovering about 1 inch to 2 inches above the floor. There you have it. Perform that bear position. Now you're gonna pop out to a plank position. Good, and then bring it down to a nice push-up, controlled and slow, and up. Now pop back to your bear, and then pop back out. Very good. You're gonna continue this one after the other. About 30 seconds here. Slow and controlled. So knees are hovering off the ground. You're popping out to that plank. You got it. Slow, controlled movements. Keep it up. Find that bear position. There it is. Do what you can. You have about 20 seconds left on this clock. You can hang on. You can do this. Keep it going. Push up. Keep that core tight. Push up. Bear, and if you need to drop to your knees for that bear, go ahead and do so. Or you can do this, step in and step out, okay? So step into the bear or step out to your plank. You can definitely do that. It's just a modifier. Keep everything moving and engaged. Don't stop. Keep it up. You're almost done. Well done. All right, let's step on up. Let's take a nice little break. 15 seconds of rest here. Okay, and then our next exercise is burpees. Get that cardio. All right, we're gonna do everything we can do. Take that break. Here we go. Let's go. Burpees, hands come down, feet go out, chest to the ground, and then a big jump. Hands down, chest to the mat, hands up. This is powerful. This is gonna require you to give it all you've got. You've got 30 seconds on the clock. Here you go. Push it down and back up, and then jump. You can do this. Go to a slow pace if you need to. You've got 15 seconds. Keep it up, keep it up. There you have it. Down, jump up. Good job. You've got this one. 10 on the clock. How much more can you give? Keep it up. All you have, all you have. I know you're getting tired, but you're doing a great job. You're gonna be breathless. All right. Okay, good job. That was your HIIT workout. I'm Courtney Webb. I hope you got your sweat on, and I also hope that you're doing this again a couple times a week. So thanks for joining me, and this was your HIIT workout. Have a good one.